In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving averages on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to place it on your chart, and how to fine-tune it so it fits your workflow. Start on your chart. At the top left of the chart area, click the Indicators button. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is a library of built-in tools. It can look busy at first, but the search bar at the top makes it simple to find what you need. In the search bar, type Moving Average. You'll see an item called Moving Average. Click it once. A line immediately appears on your chart, overlaying price. That line updates as each new bar forms and smooths out short-term fluctuations so you can read the trend more clearly. It won't predict the future, but it helps you see direction and momentum at a glance. If you'd like more than one, repeat that same action to add another moving average. Many traders layer 2 or 3 with different lengths to compare short-term and longer-term movement on the same chart. To keep things clean, give each line a unique color so they're easy to tell apart while you're analyzing candles. To configure any moving average you've added, click its name on the chart or the small gear icon next to it. This opens the settings. The length field controls how many bars are included in the calculation. A shorter length makes the line more responsive to price changes, while a longer length smooths it out and reduces noise. The source tells it which price to use, with close being the standard choice. Under Style, adjust color, thickness, and line type. Choose clear, high-contrast colors, so the averages remain visible over your candles and don't blend into the background. If your chart feels crowded, you can temporarily hide a moving average by toggling its visibility in the same settings panel, then bring it back when you need it. To stay organized, rename each moving average in its settings so you always know which is which at a glance. Once everything looks right, save your chart layout so your moving averages load the same way next time. That's all there is to it. Click Indicators at the top left, search for moving average, add it to your chart, and configure it to your preference. If you want, add more and tailor each one so your trend view is clear and consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.